Good afternoon. This is Joseph from Kaia. I'm a research engineer in Kaia. Today, I'm going to talk about how to eliminate the Web3 hurdles for the normal Web2 users and discuss how we can do it. First, let me introduce about Kaia first. Kaia is a Web3 mass adoption frontier. We have two messenger, the largest messenger groups backed by the two messenger groups, Line and Kakao, and total 250 million users are using this messenger every day. So what actually we are really wanting, we really want to mass adoption for the normal users into Web3. That's why the messenger companies are backed to us. And also, we are a layer 1 EVM, 100% compatibility, fast chain. Our transaction speed is more than 4,000 transactions per speed, and 1 second block time, and immediate finality. So it is really good for the mass adoption and also the mobile users to use this blockchain. Let me introduce about the Kakao Talk and Line a little bit more. Actually, they are not only just a messenger, but also they are a super app. So not only the messaging, chatting, but also this messenger app has a financial, like internet banking, payment, and retail shopping, and so on. So actually, the Kakao Talk is the number one payment service, and number one internet bank, and number one Uber, the mobility app. Yeah. And Line is also the number one Asia's digital commerce platform. As you see, market leading to own the many Asia areas. So actually, these two super app infrastructure can have a lot of potentials for the Web2 user to join to Web3. Okay, let me start with some uncomfortable truths in Web3. Okay, so in May, the Crypto.com said there are more than 700 million users who have the crypto. So it's large. But the problem is only 25 million users are using this crypto every day. So actually, many companies, including us, try to onboard that web users into Web3. But there are a lot of still problems actually we are facing. Well, we have more actually. The technical complexities were a little bit lessened because of listened good abstraction mechanism and so on. But still, the new onboarding people do not know what the approval is, what the gas fee is, and so on. When people do not think I have to pay to do something in Web2, so it is a big barrier for normal users to get into Web3. And also, unfortunately, we have a lot of security problem on the Web3. There are a lot of news that somebody's wallet has been hacked, and also the big CEX money is also stolen. Actually, the North Korea is really doing that a lot. And anyways, so there are a lot of scamming and hacking and phishing occurrence in the wild of Web3 world. And also, people are feeling that the crypto is still not safe. Actually, psychologically, they still have some fears and confusions, isolations. For example, if you are a Web2 user, normal Web2 user, you just use your WhatsApp or Messenger, Facebook, or whatever to communicate each other very freely. But in the Web3 world, actually, because of the small usage, still, I do not know whom of my friends are using this Web3 yet. I think that is really needed to be served for the mass adoption. Okay, so yeah, we are trying to onboard many users to Web3, but why? Why we have to onboard users? We know that Web3 has many fantastic things that Web2 cannot actually offer. So for example, in Web2, everything is in the centralized company. For example, if you post a picture on Instagram, you do not have actually the photos. The photos are all in Instagram or Facebook. And the payment, well, PayPal, if you pay something through PayPal or you can use send some money through PayPal, you will have to pay some fees. And actually, usually it takes really fast, but if it's like the credit card transaction, then it'll have more days to get the money for the vendor to get. And game items, well, there are a lot of games, and you buy some items on the game to level up fast. But the items are all locked on in one game only. And the country barrier doesn't let you do anything. For example, South Korea people cannot buy crypto by credit card. But the Web3, you have your own data in your wallet. And if you want to send money, it's just to go instantly. And if you have a alternative chains later, then you will also pay low fees. Yeah, and also, well, the NFT actually helps your items go everywhere. I mean, I will let you know about this later. And finally, Web3 doesn't have any permission. Anybody can do everything they want. So that we want normal Web2 users to onboard, to get onboarded on Web3. Okay, so actually Kaia had a good, we are a good frontier to for mass adoption. So we have some program named Kaia Wave, which is the app developers can make the app and post on the line messenger. So messenger users can just click or tap and play, do the apps. And we have been just 6 months, less than 6 months, but already more than 110 million users got onboarded through this Kaia Wave program. And we found that the core users do have a longer retention, more than 1 month. 80% of retention actually is really surprising, because normally this number would not come with the new product. But we found that the core users got more than 80% playing or doing this messenger onboarding through the Line Messenger. So we proved that this messenger onboarding is a very effective channel for normal users to get into Web3. Okay, so I'll talk about the why messenger works. So as you know, the Web3 is still not organized well. I mean, it's all decentralized, so no one can actually make it in a centralized way. So there are all information scattered. So you have to start with some kind of unknown website through Google search. And then you will face some kind of a wallet setup. And the hardest part actually is the first transaction. It is really, really difficult for the new users to get started. Is the mic transaction working well? And we have to wait until the first transaction is settled, and so on. That's why 90%, 96% of the normal Web2 users try to get onboarded, but just fall out. Our messenger-based onboarding has much more benefits. Well, the users start with this familiar web that they trust, Line Messenger, and their friends actually try to invite them through the DApps. I mean, somebody who already have played the DApps, yeah, they also can invite his or her friend into this new app. And well, the first Kaia web actually started with the games. So many DApps are based on games. So people, the new onboarded people just enjoy the game first. Then they are still, I mean, most people got onboarded and stay live, active. I mean. So for that, we found that this messenger onboarding actually worked. And now we have more opportunity. So we onboarded many users, many Web2 users, and now it's really that, I mean, time that the Web2 users can really get benefit experience into Web3, and the retention just playing game, but not just playing game, but also doing all on-chain activities on Web3. And the Web2 users will, I mean, the Web2 users expect good things on Web3, but they want easy, I mean, convenience. Also, they want convenience on Web3 too. So we have some kind of idea how the Web2 users can get benefit while they feel still is very easy to onboard. So this is what I actually explore how the Web3 can actually be more convenient and easy, and how to appeal the users. Okay, so the Web2 users are really good. I mean, they are accustomed to community and personalization and status. They are, okay, yeah. So, well, they want Web3 to be the same things too. So we need some kind of space for them, and also some kind of similar things we need to give them for them to be accustomed to be Web3 without any fallout. Okay, so first I will talk about the community. So okay, so currently Web3 community is big, but the problem is that there are a lot of Discord channels, and there are a lot of fake channels too, and also Telegram, same, and Twitter. Yeah, everybody do Twitter. We have a lot of yappings, and Twitter information is too much overloaded. I don't know how to get the information, and ask for help. Yeah, do your own research, bro. Yeah, it's normal Web2 users cannot actually get it. So what I'm thinking is that, so we are onboarding Web2 users into Messenger. So the Messenger has actually the native functionality of the community. So the new users actually can get some kind of created before they can really be enjoying the real Web3 world. So they can join the curated messenger hub first. And the users actually are all from the messenger, so they will have the same belonging, feeling that they are same, and also they are thinking that they will think that the messenger are trusting, and we trust the users, and then we can learn the new information through native language, not through like English or other languages. Sorry. Yeah. So what I mean is we can still provide Web2 UX and the Web3 proof, and the peer belonging can make a safe and friendly place to start. And also the VIP things are changing. Can be changed. Well, the VIP things are everywhere. Airplane, hotel, and some other. There are many VIP status, and actually the CEX is Binance or Bybit. They do give the VIP status if you do a lot of trade volume, and you can actually state match it with other CXs. But it takes time. But if it is the Web3, then the status can be everywhere, because the status is not staying in a company, but it's staying on blockchain. And yeah, and then there are another thing, the cross-vertical benefits. I will let's see. Yeah. So one example of the cross benefit is that if you spend so much money on one project, then you also can get some kind of benefit from other project. It's like money Lego. Okay. So yeah, your status can be actually shown to other projects. Well, yeah, I think that is really good thing on the Web3, and everybody can actually do this without any partnerships, because your status is on chain. Yeah, the protocol gets loyal well and stable liquidity and zero user acquisition cost and so on. And another one is the AI. Actually, it is so much. It's too far, but well, just the concept is that blockchain is transparent, but the information is not. It's really hard to understand. So only selected experts only can interpret the information and get the information. But but with the messenger, the AI all can get training with the communities, and or the AI can also give the personalized tips to the users. So then, AI can give this flywheel, and the community will be much bigger. So what I'm going to say is that, so we onboard many people, and we have opportunities to make them really comfortable with the Web3. So I hope the Ethereum communities also can have the fill the rooms for the Web2 users can really enjoy Web3. Awesome. Thank you.
Awesome. And we don't have any time for Q&A, but you could ask him some questions after in the hallway or something. Yeah. Cool. Thanks, guys. Awesome. Good job. That was a good talk. Good talk. Thanks.